Yo watifo memobi ajo emobi akwaba eba ende dwumadi so nwumre ya musumfo nsanwakoji ojumora ayedum akegi na me pese me no usu ade kakra bi mato ni din check your bible well. We be part 1 ye beto aso part 2 na ye de akọ ti mesra wa nwumre oba so a wada roma bombondre se obehye video no amame na ya de yasua ade adisua no yeguso nkakra we are trying to do our best. They are able to meet aye na etumi ade anyane ye ho na ye den yeguso no we have to check the Bible every day. You study Bible no yensua. We have been brainwashed through the Bible. We have to then as I said reverse some brainwash no with the same Bible. Nti oba so a mesra wada roma na wabombonde na she video na ma me kama ene me no ye ba besua ade kakra bi we some short video unu apeni wadam for ubi bia menche metwa video no so sesi a me pese ye hwe ade bi na yensua ade adesua eye papa te we obi na opa adesua wankasa eboa wo e ma wo ye ne ukọ enim ewo abrabom ente obaswa na wa share video no. This is the time we need to wake up. We are sounding a waking up call. Common Sense Family, Abraham B. Moshe, we say we have been brainwashed through the Bible. And we need to reverse the brainwash with the same book called Bible. And to obaswa, bombarded say we share video na mame. Kama. Na yes there. Yes, and na emawure mfin so na subscribe to the YouTube channels, which is Common Sense TV, Common Sense Family, and CSF Yahuda. Ewo YouTube. Ewia video ile baka koto. Yesre mo a na ma like na ma hye videos no so ayeden amaye. And bon say am say ma twin board me the blackboard asi wo. And ye ba be board no so. Na yesua de kakra bi from the Bible. Ewo Old Testament. And the Bible says according to the Bible, Nyankopon osesana dwen ana Nyankopon osesana dwen. Na ansa na mekoso no. Me pese me ka asem mienu bi. Sa asem mienu no every the two source of religion. Number 1, Judaism. Number 2, Christianity. According to the Jews, omo kire se time Nyankopon free Moses e dey Mountain Sinai na omo se odi Torah no de man no. Apart from Torah no, Nyankopon sa man book foforo. Wow, Nyankopon sa ye den e sa ma Moses book foforo. Omo atu ni din ebi Talmud, ebi nso ye Midrash. Nti according to Judaism tie mi ye. According to Jew for no, omo say Torah no, Old Testament no, the 5 books of Moses no, Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, ni we be do Numbers ni ye fa say Deuteronomy no. Omo kire say ye wo nkiremu foforo a dan chen. Nti omo person omo kire say Torah no, Genesis ni kasa asem bi wo won te ase wo be te ase a eji say wo kokin kan Talmud no ana Midrash no e ho na answer no ye den answer no wo. Nti sa book no e wo Jewfo mpanifo no nsam. This is what according to Jews sa no mo kire say Old Testament no ye wo book bi a e support no kwan ben so. According to some Jews omo say Talmud no ene Midrash no Nyankopon kora na edima Moses. And according to some Jews, Jewfo no ebinim nto omo kire say Talmud no explanation of the Torah from the rabbis. Sa no mo kire. That is the concept of Judaism. But uba Christosum the same thing happened to the Quran. Over Quran na Muslim ni kramboni malambeka kire say dabi Quran no ye wo tafsir. Ana mi fa say ye wo hadith. Den kire Quran no. Nti kramboni woni ni sua ade a wo ko to Quran no na wo kan Arab no. Na bia bibi nko yi a obeka kire wo say eji say Talmud eji say hadith no ene be kirim. The same thing happened to the Jews. Jew for us were the same concept because at the end copy. But wo ba ye nuanom nkra a Christofo ncha omo wo concept bi Christoni me ba to ba so ahye video ni ma go se Christoni eko to Bible verse na enkoyie a na omo aka kire wo se unya huhum ntiase ansa what book na book sa verse na ase nti according to Christianity omo say Bible no wo kan na wo ntiase a unya spiritual guidance unya huhum akwankere ene huhum nwa nyankopon huhum ene mbe kire book no mum nye den emfa mawo Christoni ankasa obeka kire wo se book no nsem na ewo mu no abebuo enti wuhia asekere nti be ena Bible no nyankopon de Bible no de say okasa wo abebuom. That is the concept of Christianity and the concept of Jews. Apart from the Torah, which is the 5 book of Moses, you know, there were other book to explain the Torah, which is the Midrash and the Talmud. So we a Jew, whether you are a Jew, you claim to be a Jew. Yeah, mona we a Jew, Muslim we a Jew for you claim. Muni proof, muni evidence. Because ye na one ye two ana mo ye ko du ono mo amahu de omoka mo amutie de omoka kire ye you people claim to be Jews. And those who claim to be Jews, you know, almost say your explanation of the Torah, which is the Talmud. Wow, create book, no, they want to forever, and they want to be master and master forever. Enunti or book, no, and or ye book no style be. And on no catcher will say book no one tiasia, bronon and chain, non jiro, because or no, and a young copon the book near the emano. No catch it say book no nsem no won ya mfa mawo eyo no na ye de ma no nti book no won tiase a men ko bisa nyankopon bia bra be biso no so he will always make you a slave na or he will always make you a slave what you say nti bi ope e no be chire mu de e de ama. I wonder some people will be living in Ghana Accra ha na or say oye jiwuni yemfa won to nchen na yenko end topic no so end topic no ye Nyankopon, according to the Bible, according to the God in the Bible, Nyankopon no wo Bible no. Yemfa no say, yentwa some quote, yentwa some picture bi. Nyankopon no bo soro ne asase no because Bible ekere a Christophone do for kire say, nyame na okasa wo book we mu no. Nyame no omo se ohia Moses, nyame no soma Jesus, Jesus be wu ye no. Saa nyame na ne bo soro ene asase. Betende yeba behwe se ampa Nyankopon osesa na dwen ana onsesa na dwen Nyankopon timi kasa na okase no asema maka no mennya biem ana okasa na eno anu no nti ende topic ne ye does God change his mind or not Nyankopon osesa na dwen ana onsesa na dwen ye the quotation e be cheki mi be quote quotations mi ba be quote no baby betira wo say Nyankopon sesa na dwen onye nipa na wasesa na dwen onye nipa na wasesa na dwen book kro no amu baby beka kire wo say Nyankopon esesa na dwen Nyankopon esesa na dwen eniti me be say ye koso na ye de yetie wo ba so ahye video na invite why a video no ya mo interest mo be share na mo invite mai na amanfo nye den embra so na omo be hwe enti and Obi can say, I need the book of spiritual understanding to buy you. If any Christian can help me to buy one. I say more spiritual understanding there. It doesn't make sense. Nka Jew for no, any Muslim for no, come dey make sense kakra because omo dey create book no dey ba. And omo ka kire say book no won ti ase a. Ye create ye no, ya tete di asie. Nti won ti ase a dia ye di asie no bra na ye nkire na te di aka na ase. Na omo no, omo kita strategy bi a say omo say you are disproving their religion. Either Islam or Judaism no. Ana say you who disprove the Old Testament, which is the Torah na. Old Testament say Torah no. Old Testament no Tanakh. But ya teach the Torah, the Ketuvim and the Neiv. Sana etie. But Jew for baby o makoma da ankasa the Torah. Into mu say no, one mistakes e wo Torah no. Now you are trying to disprove the mistakes in the Torah now. ombeka kire say bra na omo nkire wade na ombetimi omo ayo omo adwe omo abo cycle omo kire wade no you will die by learning ombeka ade baako ombetimi di be 50 years akire o ade a ese say omo de kire o be 2 years no omo di 50 years be kire o because omo mpese obekom deep. They will tell you it takes time. It takes time to understand our book. And to ube shia, we never work now we change ye any disproving now what they bado akabu dream now they call sound of life here the etie. The same thing happened to Islam. Omeka say this ube you say this ube until at the end of the day ube you know then you turn to them. Who see who go shia there aba abontia at the end of the day you become a Muslim. Sound of here the omatie. The same thing happened to the Jews. And I am a Enunie, me ba be kinkan na ya hwe ade bi. Wo hwe ni board no so a. Matthew Numbers chapter 23 verse 19. Numbers 23 verse 19. Jew ni bia otie mi. Jew ni bia otie mi. Onim say Numbers a part of the Torah. A part of the Torah. Numbers a part of the Torah. It is the foundation of Judaism, the foundation of Orthodox, any part of Judaism no. Numbers no eka ho Torah no ewom nti Numbers ewo Torah no nti Jewfo no they don't joke with the Torah nti Numbers 23:19 ena maye de makotu no obi antro verse yi emfanto na mon share video no maye mon share yesremo a e pamcho eya mon invite na mon share video no fa maye na eya mon follow mon like here na matimi follow page se no ene ye way no say ye ba life a mo betimi anya notification meda wase na ya to aso nti Numbers 23 verse 19 me ba kinkan obi anya di no ntie men kinkan fa pen na twere to wo fa pen na twere to wo nti madikan bie asem bi so akere wo according to Christianity wo kan book na you need spiritual understanding according to Judaism wo kan Torah na won tie ase a you need either the Talmud or the Midrash to explain the Torah to you nti ade na kwa yese when Nyankopon kasa wa ha but the how do you call it the Talmud and the Midrash no any the explanation of the Nyankopon here then eka he that means kasa na Nyankopon ka wa ha no ye won krofo bi a omo ne te ase nti omo nte ase no e na omo de atwero Talmud any Midrash no nti se Bible no kita according to them Bible no kita na wonsua Talmud na wonsua Midrash na and the Bible no kita no ekita okeke na question ni nie ye nuanom Jewfo no mo Ghana ha na sabi omo kita Torah ni di preaching so e and then kasa sa na etisa nka mo mfa Torah no nto nchen na mo mfa Midrash ene Talmud no embe preach amanfo na ye hu se eho e na nkwaje ye den ewo Numbers 23:19 me ba be kinkan obi anya din no ntie mo am book na ye den ye kinkan no na mnim se me wie video yi pe ye be obi fufuro ba beba obekira me se dia me ka na nte sa se dia me ka na nte sa na dia Bible no kire no na ono so ba bonten na baba be kire na yate ye ho ase ya limit ye ho to a book ya limit ye ho the African man has limited himself to a book called Bible or Quran. Numbers 23 verse 19 me be kinkan o ba tin nsem sesi a Numbers 23 ma do 23 ma be verse 19 me kinkan na watie wow adisuam ye fra de bi point ye unsua ade a o kinkan asema ye was some point ena ye na wo de asua ade ye betimi akasa bebre wo betimi akan bebre de awaka no ye betimi atwa bi agu na ye kwatwa bibi ketoa ana bibi wom na ye de abu fo ana ye de abu bim enu nie Numbers 23:19 me kan wasi God is not like men. Somewhere when you be am 23 like men. Obi am 23 no obi am ka say like men. It's according to the Bible. Wasi God is not like men who lie. In some person mo kire say Nyankopon nye say nipa. Nyankopon nye nipa. Nyankopon te say nipa na watwa atoro. Nti according to Bible no say obi betwa ntoro a eye nipa na Nyankopon nye nipa nti on twantoro. Yet also. He is not a woman who changed his mind. He is not a woman who changed his mind. Whatever he promised, he does. He speak and it's done. Now, point. Yes, I say na ye disua ade nie. Point yes, I say ye na disua ade no. Number 1, God is not like men. Nyankopon te say nipa fatu wadi. Point number 1. Point number 2, he is not a woman who changed his mind. On te say nipa osesa na adwen. Nti according to the Bible, aha na kire say Nyankopon te say nipa o ka say meya ade bi na kire otra say no say do dabi ebia me ya ebe ha me nti me nya biem meya bibi foforo. Bible no person o kire say obi yesa nipa na esesa na adwen. Yes, no cry ya dia to. Psalm Numbers 23 verse 19. Psalm Numbers 23 verse 19. So be atie me. So be atie. Numbers 23 verse 19. Sa na kan Nyankopon sesa na adwen. Nyankopon ye obi a onye nipa. According to Numbers 23:19. Nyankopon ka say hey mekum minkum. Nyankopon say nsuo nto a. Nyankopon timi ka say oh dabi nsuo ito a ebi ande Mr. Siedu onya kwan ko adwuma nti oh Mr. Siedu ndura wan ko adwuma nso aye maake no nti sika nso nini nti wan ko adwuma nso a wonya sika nti ma me sesa magi because of Mr. Siedu nti nka me se me yeden me tonsuo but because of Mr. Siedu nti ma manya ntonsuo ni biem. Nyankopon onye saa. Nyankopon timi ka say opese oye bibi na o ka say oh ade we mi ya bibini ba kojo bibini ba tewia DJ Fuad ade me ye be ha no me pe DJ Fuad asem ade nso manye nso a be ha the whole world manye be ha the whole world ba me ye nso be ha DJ Fuad nti no nka me se me ye but DJ Fuad nti nya ade a me ye bio. Nyankopon te sa so be ye na be ha DJ Fuad a on fa ho obeye. According to Numbers 23:19, God never changed his mind because God is not like man who changes. That is the thing. It will be a year dinonya de nontie. Me ka kire mo say book na ye fe the Bible no. Aborofo slave masters and on the brehe. Na amanfo wa bonten defending this book. Omo mu say the aye kan ye no kore. I'm telling you. Man am ka me kire o. Enkrofo wa bonten defending this book. Enimguase ferrienti they can come out. Because Oma can send be a nyoma bi embre bi if they come out ebedani enimguase they will still defend lies and throw any nada. Yet also Numbers 23:19. Let me repeat it again. Let's so that we can continue. We are ready to learn. This is the time for the African man to wake up. And I am doing my best. This is what I can do. And Obi Kachem said, so do you think you are waking African? I'm saying yes. I am doing my best. I am okay. I am okay. And I mean, say those who are listening to me are learning. I don't know more than someone. No. And yet, but meaning say, hey, bia, kakrebia mekano, hey, bia, ubibefa. Yeah, kind you. Numbers 23:19. Me go to from the Torah. Eno me ba talk mo share video no fa my wife. Mo share video no mo share. 23 verse Numbers 23 verse 9. God is not like man. God is not like man who lie. He is not a woman who change his mind. God is not a human being who do what? Who change his mind. Whatever he promised. Now I don't know. Minim nipakura ohun Nyankopon a ohun se sa Nyankopon no oye bema a ya to ni din he besinne me hu Nyankopon a me hu obi ohun Nyankopon a ohun se sa Nyankopon no oye he oye bema eti adua na go fruit mienu esese nase. If God is he, then sa God no oye bema. According to the Bible, this is what they wrote. Because nipa bi na twere enkrofo bi na twere nti omo character omo suban e na ye den e twere book no ye ma adwenye adwuma forget Talmud ni ye fa ne say Midrash ni enko ka Midrash ya den wo abrabo Talmud ya den wo abrabo Bible no mmoa be na eboa ye to aso 23:19 mawie Numbers 23:19 point number 1 God is not like men enunti ye ko na ye kan na Nyankopon no osesa na dwen a that means that God became man. Let me make my point well so that we continue. This is Yahuda Quintana for you. This is in Senmokoji Ojumo Ra Ayedu Akedi. That is my name. Won't asia komikuro mna ko bisame papa. Oh. God is not like men who change his mind. But ye ko kain verse foforo bi. Na verse no e kire se Nyankopon sesa na adwen a that means Nyankopon no he became like man. Dem tell what you say. Me pese me bie mu ha yi ma wote ase. Bible no say Nyankopon enye te se nipa na waye den wasesa na adwen. Anase wodi atoro na wasesa na adwen. Enti ye ko kenkan ba bi foforo. Na ba bi si sa Nyankopon no sesa na adwen a that means Nyankopon no ba ni party biam nti e no sesa na adwen. Ye ko kinkan baby na baby kire se ahade Nyankopon sesa na adwen a that means mo Nyankopon no wabeda ne nipa nti na osesa na adwen no nti Numbers 23:19 Nyankopon ye Nyankopon onye nipa ontimi sesa na adwen ye ko tu verse foforo na verse na say Nyankopon sesa na adwen a that means in that position that God became like man or than nipa te mo Nyankopon no ya adane oye chameleon God of chameleon God of Dekreke Agemo. Yeah, your friend Agemo Dekreke. Your God is God of a chameleon. That God can change and change his color and change like this because we are the God of BBBR. And that God cannot help Africa. If this God can change, why this God cannot change Africa until now? One day may less in Biamau. Africa is hell. Africa is hell. Samijam, Africa is born Samijam. Kai, officer, ye diablo. Numbers 23:19, God never changes. Now we continue. Back in same says here, Omu the book abeda keke. Omu the book abeda keke. You see you there. Yo, Numbers 23:19. Ya kai, afe, mami san one quotation back. Now we are what here. The book of Malachi, chapter 3, verse 6. One of the greatest book in Judaism. Malachi. Malachi, that means above war. Sana mo ye yen, mo ma tro bibi basa won ton ran, e no mo dia bread, sabi, bread ya sa ye na ya giminti. Ye na ye kita kwala tuntum. Ye ske ne ye tuntum nti sabi o. Malachi 3:6. We me kan ahaye mika na mabi no. Mani bi Malachi na men kan. Na wa tie. Wa tie ubuko no. Malachi chapter 3. Me kind verses number 6. Me kind of the support Numbers 23:19. No. Malachi chapter 3 verses. I am the Lord and I do not change. I am your Lord and I do not change. I am your Lord and I do not change. Same thing happened to Numbers 23:19. The Lord is not like a man who speaks or who changes his mind. The Lord is not like a man who lies or changes his mind. Now, Obiantiemi, you have two verses. Numbers 23:19. Malachi 3:6. Nyankopon sanage o chechera wa chechere o sania o sane o prawa o prawu o kuma o kum. What did I make? Now, say ye ko kinkan baby, na baby chere wo say sa Nyankopon ya sesana dwen a me ba cho yenye ne den yemfa no saa ana yenko hu jiwfo no na mo be kire ye hadi e ye fa ne say Talmud no na mo be kire ye Midrash no eno bi kan ye be si o mo court the Bible in court in ko kinkan sisi a obetin sam sisi a now ye wuram 1 Samuel 29 1 Samuel chapter 15 verse 29. 1 First Samuel 15:29. Obi anye di no tie di eba. Ka se mi tie di eba. Tie mi ye. Tie mi ye, untia ubetie. Tie mi ye. First Samuel chapter 15. Verses verse 29. May kind. First Samuel 15:29. Say about kind story. Papa bi a friend Saul. Omo se Yankopon si onko kuma Amalekfo. Yankopon be kan asem bi. Yentie. Samuel oyodifo omugini di pa. Oyodifo a omugini di pa. Aha, obisi Yeshua Messiah strengthening you, brother. Okay, me that say. Oh, hene kena Kwame Amoako. We have been deceived. Why? There is no name Yeshua Messiah. You are the Messiah for yourself. If you don't save yourself, no one will save you. If you don't push it, no one will push it. If you don't pull it, no one will pull it. If you don't wake up, no one will wake up for you. Wake up, Mr. African man. Messiah. I can be a Messiah. I need to save myself. Saving yourself is go to work, get money. Now when you scar, awale, asidan, now I live in a comfortable way. You save yourself. Me kind of natural. And yes, Messiah be baby save obia. No, close me save you. Or say I send you, and so only as I will be catching and say, only Messiah now, and they are John Honaji, what to be in home. I am a book of Musiao. I am a book of Chester, Muka Keke, Muka Sacro Keke, Mumuyano, Muyano Kili Kumanto, I Kili Kumanto, and no. Count Keke. Samuel 15:29. I mean, can't tell. Say Messiah be yes, be by no or to meet Jenny Pa. Because you know who was sent the so me catch it. But I want to know Kikem. Oh, Eja, I didn't know power me. I didn't know power me. Yakopon son out here. Agreement to the Sunny, no. Sanka, any agreement to Sanka, Makwani and Kumi. And I didn't do one. What my air bro me say. Eli, Lama Sabatani. My God, why have you abandoned me? Major. I didn't know what for me. What's it so then? So it's good to worship. Oh, Master, a question will be say, Grady, say, you don't call Miss Rasa Mikasa, say you don't call Sunday school, say you don't call Sunday school. Common sense family, you have classes in here, you are not. Why? Waba? It's not good to worship on Saturday or Sunday, Nina, nada, Saturday or Sunday or Nina, nada, Massa, Ukwe Juma, now say what bread, nay, what Juma, Tenassi, Najua Home, and one. Ukwe Juma now say what Juma, Yankopon and Cantra say what bra Tenafio. Yankopon and Bacantra say what bra Tenafie, and I'm what. Yankopon and Bacantra say what bra Tenafie. Junior, what's what I never kind of win and what's what I never kind of can I mean Casawai. Oh, by a baby was to be able to say what I don't know about this time. You see, Bible, you bet the Bible no crap. I'm coming to you. If you say about say the Diablo, this is the time. We are ringing a bell. Glen, Obian Solio, time ason. One set it now, Obiaba, Toton. Amanfue, Yamamadu, Nanasi. Yes, this is the time. Our forefathers, they say, our great ancestors, they say, this is the time. This is the time we need to wake up ourselves. We won't joke. Ye near goal. Be much say ye near goal. And ye near goal. We will disprove your book. We will disprove your faith with your own book. But I'm coming to you. Bible, no, and you bring no try. Omuchro ye, no, and omuchro book. The same thing happened to the Quran. Almost Quran, and almost the hadith. And the hadith in the Quran, and to better Quran as ya, when I was your hadith. Or person show you Cramoni or yes, why? Ya bread or person show you Cramoni. And in that, the topic here, does God change his mind or not? Yankopon or Sasanagi, and on Sasanagi. You know much baby on Yankopon. A dumbre, I didn't say no. Sabi, a yoquasian and Sasanagi. Intimate, men person may yoquasi and Timasa, my means Samaki and Manaquasia. I'm coming to you. Or Quasia and Sasanagi. Only are we a taxi driver? Now, Caso, Yankopon crans the Sanagi intermediate means Samadria. We a taxi driver now. Oh, drive. Oh, one way. Oh, one way. Now, call. We found one who said, your father said, we found one who said, articulate a bee, and the way articulate a bee back. Would your man join a line? Or best, just say obesa wa gunje ma won say yesesa wo sesa wadwe banama kan boy ni kwose na atade aba ni pese ye fe ti mi sremo ye ma yani nda ho te aha nti enu ni 1 Samuel 15:29 ma bie wo dada 15:29 no hwemu na kan hwemu na kan pa begina ha man
and he
says Israel
majestic God,
Israel, the majestic God of Israel
does not lie.
What ye? Was it Yankupon? Israel for him or your majesty? Or my ye, just say Yankupon or your majesty no on Cantro. Yam fan say I on Cantro, Baby Bisso so. Young kind no be anti to a shape or change his mind. Until Hano, as a photo, Numbers 23, verse 19. Say Nyankopon on Sanadin. Nyankopon Sanadin. Yanya 2 verses are a declare proof, evidence, concrete proof say God doesn't change his mind on Sanadin. But ye part 1. A CD, ya part 1 na ye part 2. Aka part 2. After yembra Exodus chapter 32 verse 14.
Exodus 32:14.
Exodus 32:14. So what kind story no? Time I see Israel for year born no. Opana Mose e ko se okopa Nyankopon nchewo. Nti okodu wo no na Nyankopon bu afu. Nyankopon asense sekan no wase ano e de ato se nkwale mekumu magimia me mekumu nyina wesere so. Me mekumu te Nyankopon plan se obeku omo. Wo sha Exodus chapter 32 a kan verse 1 wo bedu 14 a wo kaya wo be mu se no na Nyankopon bu afu na opese oku omo e na Mose ko ho e na okopa Nyankopon nchewo se Nyankopon mesrew abufuo na wo fa ye no menye saa enkuwon yentie de to aso
Exodus 32 chapter number 14
chapter 32 verse 14 kan
so the Lord the Lord
Jemina kan
changed his mind.
The Lord changed his mind
and did not bring on his people the disaster he had threatened.
And did not bring to his people the disaster he has threatened. So that means Nyankopon se sa na adwen. Na nka owuo na Nyankopon ka se odi ba Israel for no o se sa na adwen wan fo owuo na anye den amma biem. Nti me pa cho aha no a contradictory Numbers 23:19 and 1 Samuel chapter 15 verse 29 no contradiction aba anembai aba but emawurenfi you ma me fa den keno emawurenfi in the first place Numbers 23:19 no ka say God is not like men who change his mind, but say about 1 Samuel chapter 15 20 say about Exodus chapter 32 verse 14 na Nyankopon obesesa na adwen a me pese me bisa say e ho no Nyankopon no odane nipa na anana ni wire fi say o ka Numbers 23:19 say o sesa na adwen wa say me ka kire say nkrofo bi no mturo bugu no mturo ye no na o pese o mturo bugu de ma Nyankopon o mo ka Nyankopon adwen nso wuntumi nka no mo person mo twero Nyankopon adwen they can't want to me in the Exodus 32 verse 14 e ho no sase so biu na yenye den yen kinkan e adwen akọ sase verse 13 boro ba ko verse 13 Exodus 32 13 to 14 point no 14 we are talking on talking point share video no why obaso am share video no ya mo share video why mo share video na mo invite amanfo na mo like why kind verse 13 what is it?
Remember your servant Abraham.
Wow, Moses the catch Nyankopon said, Nyankopon, we fear. Remember your servant Abraham,
Jacob
and Isaac.
Remember the solemn promise you
made with them
to them. Give them as many descendants.
O say kai what share woni o mo share say wo be ma o ma asefo adoso te say mpoa no anwan verse 14
as there are stars in the sky.
To say stars in the sky no Nyankopon kai to say
and to give their descendants all that land you promised you will be their possession forever.
Nyankopon wo ka say wo de asase bi mama Abraham ne na asefo da nkwa forever and ever. Verse 14.
So the Lord
changed
his mind.
The Lord
Change his mind.
The Lord
change his mind.
India hano the Lord o change his mind and now change his mind. And Numbers 23:19 see the Lord is not like a man who change his mind. India hano sa Nyankopon wa be da ni nipa na e na o sesa na adwen. Enti buku enti masa nsamba na gugu ki ma wo ka chem sa nyame asem. Nyame asem ni nyame o kasa na ni yure fi se ono nyame na kasa e wo Numbers se me sesa ma adwen ta. After the yebedu Exodus I was say no. Why mistake? Esabi nipa na nsesa na bi esabi okwasia na nsesa na bi mama nsesa ma bi. Ede na etie. Ede na ekosi. After yanya Exodus 32 verse 14 contradicting 1 Samuel 15:29 and Numbers 23 verse 19. Now don't tell me this book is a spiritual book. Man can't change the book where a spiritual book be a and cast us seven and man cast us seven and Sasam Jaika say your father say after all enough in Yankopon whom you say Yankopon to Yankopon whom you need. To Yankopon whom me Numbers 23:19. Say once a son again. Oh you know after every a briefing Numbers 23:19 Yankopon briefing. Brief out. Exodus 32. Oh. Share mubugro ya kesa ya teteni nyina. Afi Yambra the book of Genesis chapter 6 verse 5 to 6. Mesrao shem na one point by point. Genesis chapter 6 verse 5 to 6. Point no verse 6 but shall verse 5. Na Kristo ni andichim. Kristo ni beka say ja omo. I didn't think I want to say what talk. Okay, my son verse 5. My verse what you ask me.
And it says
verse 5.
Verse 5.
Genesis 6:5.
When the Lord saw how wicked everyone on earth was.
Point. Okay. When the Lord saw how wicked everyone was on earth,
and how evil their thoughts were all the time. He was sorry that he was
then
sorry.
Nyankopon why sorry and onye sorry. Mepe obi a wabo degree na on kire me sorry ase. So obi ya sorry ase kire ne say enye nuhu. Nyankopon anu nuhu. Nyankopon na anu nuhu no. Onu nuhu so obo nipa. Nyame onu nuhu. Mbuko ne se onsesa na dwe enti we ye sure say papa ya nu ni hu onsesa na dwe obi a o regret you regret and repent wo regret na wa repent unu hu na wa sesa wa dwe enti se Nyankopon no wa ye sorry wo ha automatically wa sesa na dwe I say you have proof beyond anyone no. There is nothing. No, you cannot explain what I am. You cannot disprove what I'm explaining. You cannot disprove it. Baby, see, the Lord doesn't change. Baby, see, your Lord changed. Show me. Then I'll be make Brabeka. Brabeto one answer sem. Branabeto one answer sem. Kwaku answer story. Brabeto. Well, your baby to Kofi answer story. Because when you Kwaku answer story, Ntono so babe to Kwabena answer story na Kwesi answer story. Nyankopon na anu no no. Afei, fami ko 1 Samuel chapter 50 verse 10. Samuel Corona 50 one man. 1 Samuel 50 one man. Contradict na ho. 1 Samuel chapter 50 verse 10 and 20 contradict na ho. 1 Samuel one contradiction. 1 Samuel chapter 50 verse 10 and 1 Samuel chapter 15 verse 29 contradiction. Adey what is it?
1 Samuel chapter 15 verse 10.
What is it?
The Lord said to Samuel.
I am sorry that
I made Saul king.
Nyankopon se manu mi ho. Enti onu ni ho no. E no David osesa na adwe no. E no David ye den. E de ba ye 1 Samuel chapter 16 verse 1. Enti ana Nyankopon na asesa na adwen wo ha. And First Samuel chapter 15:29, or say on Sanadi. And First Samuel chapter 15 verse 10, or say I am sorry. Or yes, sorry no. And odi David ko see hene. Yapon kofa Bible. Yapon ye ni hwe ka bi. Mapon why? Next time you be san shia. Me say mapon. Ana question time.
Question time.
What so ma dada ya che.
Easy.
Na nipa di book ya ti. Say asem wo ya me kenkan ye no. Say manye ntumu a. Say Nyankopon bia. Ye fe no God of Israel. Yahweh. Meko bonsam jam. Na bonsam jam. Say ye bone benado. Wuku da o. Ye bone dwada o. Efiada na ebo ye o. Akwasida ye na ebo ye o. Fojo na ebo ye o. Fofie na ebo ye o. Obi nim besi ne. Obi nim da mo Nyankopon bo ne bonsam ja. Na bonsam ja no. Oboye bo ye wie ya nso obo bonsam. Ano obo bonsam na bonsam ye bonsam no so na chiko bo bonsam ja. What the shit?
Entimbra na bonsam mo so nyare obonsam ja.
Ale obonsam ja o. Odi ni ba betum. Bonsam ja. Eh, mo ya de bonsam ja. Mo ya de papa. Enunti. Yewi. Enunti the first ayin say. Ya nya quotations. Quotation 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Quotation no 1 2. Akere se Nyankopon on sesa na dwen. Ye kan ba bia Nyankopon sesa na dwen. E contradicting. Abusiafo me de mo besia. Topic ne does God change his mind or not? Yakin kan Nyankopon was on sesa na dwen. Numbers 23:19. Yakin kan 1 Samuel 15:29. Was on sesa na dwen. Ye ba Exodus 32:14. Nyankopon sesa na dwen. Ye ba Genesis chapter 6 verse 6. Nyankopon onu no ho. So bo nipa nti adwen sakra automatically ebeba. Ye ba 1 Samuel chapter 15 verse 10. Nyankopon no say oye sorry. Ba regret it. Say oye de osi Samuel hene. Ade nti Samuel nkoku nipa, Samuel ankwa nkoku nipa nti. Wanu no ho. Madam ase, monkai na mo subscribe to YouTube channel no. CSF Yahuda. Kona ko subscribe. Mesrew, wo subscribe a kai na like. Eya na share. Topic we click adoma no kankran like it. Wo like ya na send ma sofo wo former pastor. Ka che ne say bra bi e kan asem bi. Share fama wo former pastor. No ntie bi. Meda tie fo ase. Mo amunya mbra mo ba so. Mr. Siedu me da se. Opoku Ransford me da se. Mo nyina ma ya de me Bible reader ya fa ne say Badu Junior me da se. Aha ni ya wule. Yes me da se. Why ya de yenguso. Aha ena jagbani P Black 2. Musa Jordan mitiamu nyina. Let's push and support the movement to the next level. Me do bibia se bibia besia. Emre papam yesa de part 2 ne be den bebrem. Ende em say what bibia se. What bibia se. De amachire wo no obi antimi disprove de amachire no. Dabi oba beto anansesem around the quotation I quoted. There's nothing because baby see on sasa onye nipa na wasasa onye nipa na wasasa ena baby see osasa na adwe ti that means Nyankopon be dane nipa na osasa na adwe medo bibia se biom enumre eye mosomfo nsenwokoji ojumora ayedu akegi nsenwokoji ojumora ayedu akegi ebia by 8 to 9 mesamba life na yasan besu ade kakra medo bibia se obi anhwe ne wo so yi wana mo bia obetu kasam bibia obekọ no hwe wo so yi na wo ho hia ye aha wonni ho a ye ni ho mo na mo ho na ye den ye ho common sense family we are proud of you common sense US common sense UK common sense Canada common sense bibia mo na mo ye video e support no mo kasa e dia ma common sense enye se mo kasa dia ma ye mo ka no kore na mo disprove religion na ye yi no kore bi na ye pese abibifo fa no to mapafra no ye chi obibia have nipa boson Mr. Ahmed Farah Nana Shedi SSK Same Freed Mind ye fa ne sen Mr. Englishman ye chia mu nyina Redeemer mayade kwa 44 ye chia mu nyina Bible Commando mo donso ye ntimi bubodi ye do bibia se ye bibia besia kai na subscribe to CSF Yahuda bye bye adwene anya adwuma honam no bebre ana ka wo jame odabo